As always, this detailed review is brought to you by BrainyBuyer.com. Shop smarter, be a brainy buyer.
Okay, so we're comparing these two propane grills, right? The Char-Broil Classic 2-burner and the Napoleon Prestige PRO 500. Big difference in price right off the bat.
Huge. The Char-Broil is like $139, and the Napoleon is almost $2,500. What are we getting for that extra cash?
Well, size is a big one. The Char-Broil has 280 square inches of cooking space, good for a small family. The Napoleon, a whopping 900 square inches. It's a party-sized grill.
Okay, so capacity is way different. What about power?
The Char-Broil has 20,000 BTUs. The Napoleon? A crazy 80,000 BTUs across its 6 burners. And it's got an infrared side burner, named a rear rotisserie burner. We're talking serious searing power.
Infrared and rotisserie. Fancy. The Char-Broil has a side burner too, but it's just a standard 8,000 BTU one, right?
Yep, good for warming sauces or boiling water, but not searing. The Napoleon also boasts stainless steel cooking grids, while the Char-Broil has porcelain-coated wire grates.
Durability difference then? Stainless steel is going to last longer, I imagine.
Definitely. The Napoleon is all stainless steel inside and out. The Char-Broil has more painted components. Plus, the Napoleon has illuminated control knobs for nighttime grilling, I guess.
Okay, that's a bit extra, but I like it. What about warranties?
Char-Broil offers a 5-year warranty on the burners, 2 years on the firebox, and 1 year on everything else. Napoleon has a President's Limited Lifetime Warranty.
Wow, lifetime! Sounds like they really stand behind their product. So basically, the Char-Broil is a basic, affordable grill for small meals. And the Napoleon is a high-end, feature-packed grill for serious grill masters.
Exactly. It all comes down to budget and how much grilling you plan on doing. If you're just grilling burgers for 2 every now and then, the Char-Broil is fine. If you want all the bells and whistles and grill for a crowd often, the Napoleon is the way to go, if you can afford it. Don't miss out on our next in-depth review to help you make smarter purchasing decisions. Hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you're always in the know.